Very welcome to Convenio video presentations. And in this video we will show you an overview of the ground handling suite that we call the AirGRC FX GH suite. First, one slide about the company. Convenio was founded in 2011 in Sweden, and we have operations in different parts of the world, mainly in Europe, India and in the Middle East. This slide shows you an overview of the different modules that we have packaged in the ground handling suite. Apart from the appropriate functionality, we have focused on providing also cloud-based solution, which makes it easy to implement the system and to be in production within a short period of time. This also enables scalability, which will make it easy for an organization to grow with the system. Another important thing is the ease of use of the system. Therefore, we are providing the use of mobile devices like smartphones and tablets, both iOS and Androids, to access the system. Our purpose is to provide a suite of applications which will enable the ground handling company to develop best practices that easily can be implemented on all the airports operated by the ground handler. This will save time and money and streamline the use of resources to fulfill the mission of the ground handling company. To be efficient and optimize turnaround time from when an aircraft comes in until it takes off is the number one challenge for the ground handling company. In this system we handle personnel, processes, safety compliance and risk management in one single platform. We handle everything except luggage handling, or the logistics around the luggage itself. We also handle the contracts between the airline and the ground handling company. We store the contracts itself and we keep up to date information regarding the contract and service levels. Our aim is to move from paper, pen or Excel approach to a standardized system in order to increase efficiency, information and knowledge sharing across all entities. Our configuration engine helps to configure and maintain tens of hundreds of checklists under various categories and audit areas. As we mentioned earlier, turnaround time is very critical and one of the main tasks of the ground handler. This means that processes need to be optimized and staff well trained. In the system we define benchmarks and then check any deviation from those benchmarks. The system also includes a training module where we handle everything from setting the training schedule to the training completion. In the training module, knowledge checks can be performed on a regular basis, apart from the training and courses. It can also be used as part of the onboarding process, which will make it quicker to get new personnel on board and on the same knowledge level as the rest of the personnel. Equipment and asset checks is also very important. The system enables the ground handler to have checklists that they check against on a regular basis, and all the checks can easily be scheduled and sent to the specific controllers responsible for each specific area. The system also has an incident module which will assist the team to effectively analyze the frequency and nature of events for better learning and preventing the occurrences in the future. Safe work practices incident reporting is also part of the system. The solution also includes an emergency safety response drill module, where the ground handler can work with internal drills or be part of a bigger exercise as one of the stakeholders. Apron, ramp checks and inspections is also a part of the system. The risk assessment on a regular basis is also very important. The system enables the users to do the audits on a regular basis and in that way assess the risk levels connected to different hazards. Facility and service checks is of course also an important part to get the turnaround time as low as possible and still having a high level of quality. The scheduling mechanism in the system will make it easy to plan all inspections and maintenance and compliance programs using a very simple and interactive scheduler. Based on the scheduling, it is easy to delegate the specific controls to different users. Then the users can use their mobile devices to perform the actual checks or inspections. This was an overview of the ground handling suite delivered by Convenio. Thank you very much.